welcome to another video of the test. So Matt is going to talk to us about a few bits here.
Yeah, so in the last video, as you can see, we removed the engine together, the engine of the 320i, and in today's video we can show you what we do on this car. So we remove the complete interior. As you can see, it's approximately the same content as the 335i strip, and so yeah, remove everything from inside to make the conversion of the left-hand drive. And yeah, in this video we can try to show you a couple of difference between the 335i component and 320i component.
Yeah, I'm going to throw in some clips right now.
I think the interesting thing is to see the difference, the engine size, the size of the drive shaft, the output shaft.
Yeah, the 335i, it's 60mm diameter on the drive shafts up for the 335, and the half shafts were 40mm. On the 320i, I use the veneer calipers to compare, and you can see in the 320i it's 50mm drive shaft, and the half shafts are 32mm.
Yeah.
You see the big difference in the thickness there between the two.
Yeah, everything is a bit beefy on the 335i. And when we remove the engine, we see how small is this gearbox. The gearbox is yeah, everything is a bit oversized, and I think that's why this platform for in like 335i, 330i, 330d, 335d, you can push serious power because everything is oversized, and this is really good.
Built for more strength.
Yeah, and so we really think you can enjoy this content, and yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so as you can see, we do some fast clip to strip all the cars and all of this thing, and now we can talk a bit about. As you can see here, this is a consequence of the accident, because you see this arm is bent. I need to take this arm, remove it, and swap with an other subframe. To fix this one, it's just only this arm. All the other one, I check it, they are not bent. So I also check all the bushings, the bearing, all of this thing, everything is good on this complete subframe with diff and all this thing. So I just need to change the oil and put everything together with the new arm on this car to do the conversion properly. I just need to change one clamp on the on this shaft, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, so now we need to show you a couple things about the rear of the car. So for the to start, the fuel tank is not the same, because you have an area here for the drive shaft and also the exhaust. On the 335i fuel tank, you have more space to fit the dual exhaust and the drive shaft, because it's a bit beefy. And you also have a difference between the fuel line. The brake line are the same, this fuel line is the same, but the vacuum, the canister system is not the same between 335i and 320i, because as you can see here, the the canister tank is on the, when you are in the car, is on the right side, and on the 335i is on the left side, because you have a twin exit exhaust. And I want to show you this part here is the because on the trunk you can remove this part, and this plastic is the bottom of the trunk, and it sit like this. You can put a couple things here, but all of the you have all of this clearance for the twin exit exhaust, because you have one exit on each side on the 335i. So this part is not the same. And what else? As you can see here, the diff is completely destroyed with the rust. This thing is, yeah, when I see this, sometimes I ask me why I love mechanic, because this thing is completely fucked. And yeah, it's really because I need the arm. This thing is stay inside, but yeah, there is no point to look this part, because it's extremely destroyed. So just need to take this arm, because my one is completely bent due to the accident. So take this arm, clean it, respray it, put on the 335i subframe, and put this in the bin the quick as possible, because as you can see here, yeah, tetanus.
Okay, so we're coming to the end of this video, and you've seen the 320i being stripper mat. We've compared some of the parts there, the thickness of the drive shafts and the half shafts, and also looking at the bit of the damage. We thought it was a lot worse, but then when you had a good look at it there, you could see that it's nowhere near as bad. Just one arm on the rear subframe. So That's a really good bonus. It means a lot less to look for when you're trying to fix the car or swap parts over. Yeah, maybe Matt, you want to add a few things there before we close up on this one?
Yeah, so as you can see, we strip everything, so now the car is complete shell, just piece of metal,
Yeah,
as you
just a
can see.
bare shell.
And yeah, so in the next video, we need to try to make a bit of progress about of all the drivetrain, drivetrain components.
Yeah,
Yeah, try to install a couple things. We see a bit of rust. I don't know if we can probably do this off camera, just to
maybe do a
make a
few
bit of
fast
things.
clips,
Yeah,
light
maybe.
sanding, clear the rust.
Yeah, because it's just a surface rust. It's not
Yeah,
yeah,
and some
but
under sealer as well, actually, just to
yeah,
protect it.
to make something clean. Not really clean because I don't like aesthetic, but yeah, to make something
Practical.
yeah, and yeah, in the next video, so as I tell you, we can do a bit of progress into the drivetrain component and try to install a couple things on the car, and probably need to go to Cork to collect a couple parts for
Yeah, there's a road trip
the
coming up.
car. And yeah, I think you can probably enjoy this video. Try to make something a bit different.
Yeah, we'll try and keep it
And
informative. As we've got some feedback there, and we love feedback because it helps us improve the videos. But talking
yeah,
about close-ups of Matt doing his work, I think this is definitely a good idea. Try and see up close when he's using the tools, maybe a bit more information about what he's doing. You know, we're going to try and incorporate this now in all the videos coming up. But a lot of work to do there. But yeah, we're working
uh,
on it. Hopefully, you enjoy these videos.
yeah, and just before to end this video, because I have a lot of friends in France, and let me know in the comment if you want sometime I tell you a couple explication in French, explain couple things. I don't know if you, because I know a lot of guys watch the video,
Yeah, yeah,
and why not? Because I'm French. As you can see,
yeah.
the English is strange, but
Oh,
yeah,
it's good. It's
I
good.
try to do my best. It's only 7 months I live here, and yeah, thanks very much, guy, for your support, and I hope you enjoy this video. So,
Yeah, perfect. All right.
okay.
Thanks, guys, and until next time, take care.